Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about a very good and relevant thing, that is how to start thinking in English. This is a basic question everybody has in their mind, that they think how do we start thinking in English. So what are the tips that we have to use for this? So in this video I am going to talk about only this, and this video's title is going to be about how to start thinking in English. So I will tell you how did I do actually. So I will not tell according to others' perspective. I will tell everything about it according to my perspective, especially how did I use those tips, those helped me to start learning this language, and how I started thinking in English. So this is the basic and relevant topic is going to be about. And guys, if you are a beginner, then definitely watch this video till the end and dive in this video till the end, because it is going to be very helpful, guys. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's get started. So it's before going to the video, I am going to give you a little bit introduction of myself, guys. I come from a village area. I come from a small village of Uttar Pradesh, which is called Kutubpur, and I have completed my all education so far in Hindi medium background, and I have completed Bachelor of Arts. I mean graduation, and I started a YouTube channel so that I can help, because I have been improving this language since a year, and I am improving now too, because learning never ends, and I have very much experience how to learn this language, how are these difficulties that we can face in front of us by learning this language. So I want to resolve those difficulties. I want to clear out those difficulties that you are going to be facing next days. Okay, so let's get started, guys. How do you start thinking in English? This is a basic question, guys. Everybody has in their mind that thing, how do you start thinking? In starting, guys, believe me, guys, frankly speaking, when I started learning this language when I was beginner, so I also used to think that how to start thinking English. How did I do it? Guys, in starting you will not be able to think. This is a fact, guys. You will not be able to think directly in English language. In starting you will have to translate, otherwise you cannot learn this language very soon. In starting you will have to translate from your regional language to English language. Whatever language is yours, it can be Bengali, it can be Marathi or Hindi, but you will have to translate. Firstly, you will have to translate from your regional language or Hindi language to English language. In starting, your mind try to translate, and it is relevant. It is not it is not bad technique that you are using. It will have to do, because you have not been taught in English very much. You have not practiced a lot so that you can think in English. In starting you will have to translate, guys. You will have to translate. I will say you have to translate, guys. In starting you have to learn the sentences Hindi to English or your regional language to English language. You have to learn sentences and you have to use, and practice is main thing. Practice makes man perfect. You will have to practice it every day. So if you want to have that kind of thinking in which the things are coming automatically from your mind in English language. So if you want to do it, you will have to practice very much. In starting, if you are translating, it is good. It is not bad. It is going to be helping to you. It is going to be very helpful to you in starting, guys. You will have to translate, and you have to translate, guys. And after some days, you don't have to stop practicing, because if you are stopping your practicing every day, you cannot learn this language. You will have to practice every day at home. You can practice speaking English with your friends, with anyone, so that the sentences, the rules, and the vocabs, and the phrases are coming to your mind, and they are set in your mind, in your subconscious mind. You will have to practice a lot so that these sentences are fit in your mind, and they will automatically be coming after some days. If you have practiced a lot, if you are practicing one thing again and again, it will be very easy to speak out. It will be very easy to speak out, because the things you have memorized, the things you have learned very much again and again, it will be coming out from your mind very easily. You will not need to think about that. So this is going to be very helpful. You have to translate in starting, and you don't have to stop speaking in English. Whatever the things are coming to your mind, you have to speak, you have to use, guys, with your friends, whatever the things, guys. In starting, you don't have to feel same. You don't have to be hesitated, because if those guys are making fun of you, believe me, guys, when I started speaking in front of my friends and in front of anyone, some of them used to make fun of me in starting, because I was not able to speak well. I was not able to speak at all in this language. I just used to think that what do I have to use. After that, I used to speak directly. I was not able to speak. Before some minutes, some seconds, I used to think that I have to use this. So like this I used to use. जैसे कि मैंने कुछ मायने में think किया, I thought something in my mind that ये sentences अब मुझे use करना है. तो पहले मैं सोच लेता था, फिर after that I used to speak. पहले मैं उसको इतना थोड़ी कि मैं अब बोलूं. तो at that moment you will definitely be hesitating. Your heart, मतलब आपका जो धड़कने हैं ना बढ़ जाएंगी उस समय. So it will be, it is a common thing. Everybody faces, guys, in starting. So I wanted to talk about only this topic, that you just have to start speaking, guys. You don't have to feel any kinds of hesitation, guys, and don't stop speaking. Practice is the main thing for learning any language, for being successful in life. Practice is the key. Practice makes man perfect. So start speaking now. Don't wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow will never come. If you want to improve your English, you can improve. It is not a big deal. It is not a rocket science. Everybody can do it. If you are uneducated, you can also learn this language. This is just a language. We all can improve this language. Whether we are coming from village areas, whether we are coming from Hindi medium background, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, guys. Nothing matters. The matters is what we want to learn. We just have to work on that thing. If we are working out, we will definitely be achieving. There is no one who can stop us to achieve that. Okay, so start speaking, and in starting you have to translate your regional language to English language. If you are translating, don't feel sad. It is a common thing. You will have to translate, and after some days, the things which you have learned, it will be automatically be coming, and it will take time. It will it is not just it is not about 1 day, 2 days, or a week, 2 weeks. It will take time, 2 months, 3 months. Some of them कुछ के लिए तो 6 महीने भी हो सकते हैं. तो इसका for learning a language takes time, guys. It is a fact, guys. It will take time. But if you are learning something from your first day, from your single day, you will be having thinking of satisfaction, because you are learning something. You are improving day by day. So this is what will come with the practice. If you will practice every day, it will be very helpful for you. So practice is the main thing. Okay, have a good day. We will meet in another video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and comment. Please comment on the comment section on what topic do I have to make videos, so that I can have those topics, so that I can function those topics, and I will be able to make the videos on those topics. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.